Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint on CEIR. First, navigate to the official CEIR portal. Once there, look for the Block Stolen/Lost Mobile option, which is usually prominently displayed. You'll need to provide your mobile number and the unique 15-digit IMEI number of your lost or stolen device. This initial step is crucial for initiating the blocking process and protecting your personal information. Next, you'll need to furnish essential details about the incident. Accurately enter the date and specific place where your mobile was lost or stolen. Then, select the correct state and district from the drop-down menus. Crucially, you must provide details of your police complaint, including the unique complaint number, as this validates your request and helps authorities track the incident. Now, it's time to input your personal information. Provide your full name, current address, and an alternate mobile number for communication. You'll also need to upload a clear copy of your identity proof, such as an Aadhaar card or driver's license. Finally, an OTP will be sent to your alternate mobile number for verification. Enter this 6-digit code to proceed with your complaint submission. Before finalizing, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure its accuracy. Once you're confident everything is correct, click the Submit button to officially file your complaint. After submission, you will receive a unique request ID. Make sure to note this down, as it's essential for tracking the status of your complaint and for any future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.